Guys, this the combination kind of rice every family needed this period. Guys, what are they? Guys, have you ever challenged yourself sometimes to say, you know what, I just want to cook different kinds of soup today. You know what? I just want to cook different kinds of rice today. Have you ever give yourself a challenge like that? Because if you have large family, you can do that, guys, because you don't need to be cooking every day. It will be a burdensome for you. So that's why sometimes you make up your mind, you know what, I just want to cook different combination of rice. I just want to cook different combination of soup, guys. So let's watch out to see the kind of combo of different rice we cooked. So I just woke up one morning, I say, you know what, all the rice hungries me. Fried rice, as in I'm craving for that. Jollof rice, I'm craving for that. Stew rice, guys, I'm craving for that. So what can I do? So how can I combine all these three rice and make it a day? Guys, Guys, I use my initiative to think on how to go about that. And this is the kind of rice your family needed. Why? Because when you have them in your fridge, you are not lacking anything at home, especially when children are involved. You are not lacking anything, as in food is there, because they like rice most, more than every other thing. So I just woke up and say, you know what, let me use my initiative. I just want to cook this thing one day. I don't want, if I cook this one today, tomorrow I will cook the other one. So I bought all the ingredients at the same day. Guys, when I came back home, I differentiated them. I shared them into three parts. This one is for my fried rice. This one is for my jollof rice. This one is my stew rice. So that's how I prepared all my ingredients. I use one meat to cook all of them so that I can cook my meat once and for all. So that's how I prepare this. After this, I enter this. After this, I enter this, guys. Lo and behold, within a couple of 20 minutes, I finished cooking all the rice. Guys, when you enter my fridge, you notice that food is assorted there. Why? Because this gonna last like 2 weeks interval, 1 week interval, without craving to enter kitchen. Guys, the same way I manage putting up soup, the way I go about cooking three soups at the same time. So when you have it, you no longer crave for any food, or you will not be entering kitchen always. So watch us, dish out all this food. Guys, this one is two, the other one is fried rice and our jollof rice as well. So guys, let me know how you go about combining your cooking sometimes in a day and the kind of food that you craves most. Guys, have you ever wake up and crave for many food, guys, and try to cook them at the same day? Let me know in the comment section. Guys, I thought that rice are starches food, so what would I do to, as in, attach proteinous stuff on it? So I go ahead to cook egg. So instead of me using meat as my protein, I manage adding egg in each of them whenever I want to eat it. So guys, let me know how you think. What do you think about this my combo? And have you ever wake up and try making your food in this manner? If no, kindly try and think the way I think, and package it the way I package, and present it the way I present. So the best thing that will help you whenever you want to give it a try, cook many combination of food at once, is to prepare your ingredients ahead. So when you want to start, e no gonna take very much of your time. So this is a secret, guys. I can't feed you and spoon feed you. If food is ready, guys, these three combination of rice, fried rice, jollof rice, and stew rice. So let me know how you go about trying these different kinds of combo kind of rice or any other recipes as well. So the remains ones we're gonna put in the fridge and package it, and this gonna last for 1 week, 2 weeks. It depends how large your family is. So guys, rate this rice for me. Let me know the kind of rice you cherish and the one that is your favorite. Is it jollof rice? Is it stew rice? Is it fried rice? Guys, let me know the one you cherish most. Please then again, if you've never subscribed to my YouTube channel and you really like what we are doing, please ASAP kindly subscribe and turn on your notification. Why will you turn on your notification is because whenever I put up video like this, you'll be notified. So some people don't know the good of adding veggies on their stew whenever they are cooking their stew. Guys, adding veggies on your stew gonna make your stew become more healthy. For your fried rice, adding like carrots, green bean, also as in they are all in categories of veggies as well. For your jollof rice, using chicken, water and chicken to cook it and adding little veggies are also healthy and they are part of veggies as well. So guys, take a look at all the food we manage cooking in a day. Guys, this is huge. Have you ever tried this? But I've seen a couple of, people do this. So I say, let me give it a try. Well, it didn't even take my time. Why? I've given you the secret. I prepared the ingredients I had before I start. So it didn't take me like 30 minutes. Within 5 minutes, I finished cooking all of them. So guys, look at how beautiful this looks. So we're gonna package and transfer to the fridge. So as I said, this is gonna last 1 week. It depends. So it depends how slow we eat it and it depends how fast we eat it. So we're not gonna lack food in the fridge, and this will help me not to be entering kitchen always. Guys, me entering kitchen will be just once in a blue moon or once in a while. So this have helped me. It has opened my eyes to know that I get to be cooking many food and be keeping in the fridge so that I will not keep cooking always. Guys, give it a try and cook it this healthy method. Thanks.